Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I got this Launch Creader 3008 to review from seller on the Amazon. So if you have a second, come with me and have a look. I have a running 97 4Runner here. Can you see the screen? Is it nicely visible, or is it having glare? That's pretty good.
That's good.
So you can see what are the menus, right? This is the first thing when you connect it to your vehicle. You have your ignition on, obviously, right? And I want to use it on this one because we believe there might be codes. We have no check engine light, which is surprising, but there was problem with O2 sensor in the past. We believe there might be codes. So you see all the buttons here, finally, nice, I got it. And you see the menus on this C-Reader. Now, I can go just to check how the alternator is charging battery, right? So I expect somewhere 13.5, 14 volts. Let's push OK. And it says engine is on, and we have 14 volts at this moment. Perfect. I can put OK or go backwards here. And then now let's go and look if we really have any codes in it. So diagnose. Here is to read codes. And let's see. Oh, so that's really surprising. We have no check engine light in the dashboard. And I can see there are two codes. The first one is P0130. And it's one of two codes, right? And it gives you this text. You don't have to go and Google it. It automatically gives you that code. And it's a O2 sensor circuit, bank 1, sensor 1. And there will be one more code and saying more in detail. Let's see what it is. I will use this button down. And it's 2 of 2. And this one also generic P0133. And it's O2 sensor circuit slow response on that bank 1 sensor 1. So this is pretty good. I can go backwards. Here is the way. I can erase them because we are not dealing with it today. We just did a engine oil change, clear reset, right? Erase codes. Please turn ignition on. Well, it is. Oh, with engine off. Press enter key to continue. Okay. So I shut off the engine, put the ignition on, back. Let's see if it will continue. Oh, it does. It didn't lost the connection with the vehicle, and it says emission related diagnostic information has been cleared. I will put a OK. And let's just recheck that if it's true, right? I will rescan. No, the vehicle has no codes, so that all was clearing was correct. This also changed from the red, it was red before, to the green light. So this is pretty cool. Here you can see how it looks. It's a pretty big unit, nicely fits in the hand. I got it for review, apparently used, it's scratched. But I guess it survived some harsh, treatment, so I will say it must be durable. Otherwise it will be broken already. So you get out of it, and obviously when you want to finish, you just switch off your ignition and then you disconnect it. So I hope you find this little review helpful. I will put below the video link to the place on Amazon where you can purchase it if you are interested. Thank you for watching this video, and be subscribed. I have way more about Toyotas coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.